Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 8, Algebraic Expressions and Identities, exercise 8.1. Question number 2. The question is, we need to subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from the 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So, here they have given that from, right? So, this is minuend, right? From this value only we have to subtract this value, okay. So, since they have given from this value, so we need to write that particular expression in the first row, that is 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3, okay, meaning that this is the bigger number, okay. Then what we have to subtract from this number we need to subtract, okay. So, this is the subrahand, so we need to write in the second row. So, here it is 4a. So, we need to write parallelly to a terms, right. So, here it is a. So, we have to write this term parallelly to a term. So, here we need to write it as 4a. Then AB term is there. So, just write here as minus 7ab. Then B term it is there in the first expression. So, just write parallelly the third term. Then constant term it is there. So, here also constant term it is there, just write parallelly, okay. Then, so first term always write whenever there is no sign, meaning that this term is also plus, this term is also plus, okay. Then coming to the question, we need to subtract, okay. Since we are subtracting, we need to change each and every sign in the subrahand, that is your second expression, okay. So, this expression we need to change each and every sign, okay. For example, if we have, okay, 3 and 2, right. So, if we need to subtract, what happened, this plus 2 will become minus, right. So, it becomes 1. So, similarly for each and every term we need to change the sign, okay. So, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, okay. So, here we need to consider that it is minus 4a plus 7ab minus 3b minus 12, okay. So, now just add these two values, okay. So, what I am having, minus 3 minus 12, okay, minus 3 minus 12 is what, minus 15, okay. So, 12 plus 3 is nothing but 15. So, you have both the terms as minus, so it is minus. Then, what about this term, I have 5b minus 3b, okay. So, b is the variable, just write as it is. What is 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3, it is 2, okay. So, we have 2b here, okay. Similarly, the other terms also, whatever the variable we have to write as it is, that is here it is ab, okay, write ab as it is, okay. What about the coefficient term? First expression I have minus 9, second expression I have plus 7. Minus 9 plus 7 is what? Minus 2. So, here I have minus 2, okay. So, here plus 2b, right. So, plus 2b, just put the sign for each and every term. And then coming to here, the variable is a, okay. So, here it is 12, okay. First expression it is 12, second expression it becomes minus 4, okay. So, 12 minus 4 it is what? 8, okay. So, it is 8. So, this is the final answer, 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15, okay. So, coming to the B part of the second question. So, again we need to subtract this term from this term, okay. Since it is from, okay, so this is the bigger number. So, from this we need to subtract this number, okay. So, write this expression as a first expression, 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So, since we are subtracting this expression, we need to write that as a second expression, okay. So, xy is there. So, write 3xy parallel to this term, okay. Then yz is there, yz is there here also in the first expression. So, I can write that term parallelly to this. Then zx is there, okay. So, write this term parallel to zx. So, minus 7zx, okay. So, I don't have xyz in the second expression. So, just leave that, okay. Then again, since it is subtraction, okay, each and every term in the second expression I need to change the sign, okay. So, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Okay. So each and every term I need to change the sign. So now coming to this term, there is no term in the second expression. So just write this term as it is. So meaning that I don't have any term here. Okay. So plus 0 is what? The same term 10xyz. Okay. That is what here. So here it is plus 10xyz. Okay. Meaning that here there is no term at all. And coming to this expression, what is the variable? Just write the variable as it is. Zx is the variable. What about the coefficient? I have minus 2 plus 7. Okay, 7 minus 2 is what? Plus 5. Okay, so plus 5 zx. What about the variable here? Y and z. Okay, write as it is. What about the constants? It is minus 2. Okay, sign has been changed. So minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 7. Then coming to this term, it is xy. Okay, what about the coefficient? It is 5 minus 3. Okay, what is 5 minus 3? It is 2. Okay, so here it is 2 plus 2xy. Okay, so the final answer for this problem is 2xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xyz. Okay, then coming to the third problem, we need to subtract this term from this expression. Okay, so write this as the first expression because this is a bigger number. So 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. And what is the subrahand? This is the subrahand. Okay, so coming to this term, okay, what is your first term? It is p square q. So p square q means I need to write this term parallel to p square q. Okay, so here only I am having p square q, so I have to write plus 4p square q whenever there is no sign, meaning that it is plus. Then pq term, where is pq term? Here it is pq term, so I need to write minus 3pq below that. Okay, then pq square. Okay, pq square is here, so this term I have to write here. So plus 5pq square. Then it is p term. P term means here I have to write. So what is the term? It is minus 8p. Then q term. Where is the q term? Here is the q term. So 7q. Then constant. Where is the constant? Here it is constant. So it is minus 10. Okay. So like this, first write the terms correspondingly. Okay. That is what are all the variables, okay, which is common. Those terms you have to write parallelly. Only then you can apply your subtraction. If that term is not available, that you have to write separately. Okay. Then since it is subtraction, just put the minus symbol. Since it is subtraction, each and every term in the subrahand I have to change the sign. So minus will become plus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Here it becomes minus, here it will become minus. Okay. So just do the subtraction operation. So what it is here? Here it is p square q. Okay. And then what are all the coefficient term I have? 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? It is 1. Okay. So 1 p square q you have. Okay. So just write as it is 1 p square q. 1 p square q is nothing but p square q. Okay. So either you can write 1 or else you can leave 1 also. It is just a p square q. Okay. Then here the term is pq square. Okay. So what are the coefficients we have? Minus 2 minus 5. What is minus 2 minus 5? It is minus 7. So here it is minus 7. Then what about the variable here? It is pq. Okay, what are all the terms you have? Here it is plus 5, here it is plus 3. So 5 plus 3, it is what? 8. Okay, so it is plus 8. Coming to the variable here, it is q. Okay, so what are the coefficients you have? Minus 11 and then plus 7 becomes minus 7 now. So it is minus 7. Okay, so just add both the terms. 11 plus 7 is what? 18. Okay, so symbol is minus. So it is minus 18q. Then coming to this term, the variable is p. Okay, what are all the coefficients? So coming to the coefficient, it is minus 3 plus 8. What is 8 minus 3? It is plus 5. So here I have plus 5. Then it is constant. There is no variable at all. So what are all the terms available? It is plus 18 plus 10. Okay, so it is 28. So it is just plus 28. Okay, so this is the answer. 28 plus 5p minus 18q plus 8pq minus 7pq square plus p square q. So if you want, you can leave like this, or else generally we will write the constant terms at last. Okay, so higher power terms and all at the starting. So just reverse your terms and write. Okay, so the higher power term is p square q, and then here it is 7 pq square, and here it is 8 pq, here it is minus 18q, here it is plus 5p, okay, here it is plus 28. Okay, you can write like this also. Okay, so this is the final answer for the C part of the question. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.